There are several ways that you can capture your screen on the HP Elite, either capturing a screenshot or taking a live recording of your current screen. The first and easiest way to capture a picture of your screen is to click on the Display Apps button in conjunction with the Control button. Simply pushing these two buttons at the same time will take a quick screenshot of the entirety of your screen. The file is then saved in the Folder app, where you can find your new image in the Downloads folder. From here, you can move, save, or delete this file. The second method is to push the screenshot button, which gives you several options to choose from. This includes both photo and video options, as well as control over what area of the screen you want to record from, the entire window, a tab, or a selected area of the screen. As you can see, you have the following options to either capture a screenshot or video recording of your screen. Furthermore, you can choose from taking the full screen, a partial screen, where you can select a specific area with your mouse, and finally, a specific window only. Lastly, the Settings menu, which is represented by the gear icon, gives you further control over fine-tuning what you are trying to capture from your screen. You can toggle whether you want audio input and from what source this comes from, whether or not you want your front-facing camera to be visible on the screen capture, and where you want to save this file. As before, you'll be able to find your files in the Downloads folder, unless you specify somewhere differently. Happy capturing!